Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add CSS to your WordPress website. So search this plugin Simple CSS. This is the popular and famous plugin Simple CSS. Install and activate. This plugin add CSS to your website through an admin editor, the customizer, or a meta box for page post specific CSS. So just activate this plugin. This plugin is famous and easy to use. Still you are facing problem to use it. So make comment. I will try to answer it. So thanks for watching, and this short and basic video we learn how to add custom CSS in WordPress using a famous and popular plugin. Hopefully guys you like this video. Please share and like and show your love by subscribing my channel.